In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download HiggsField AI app. If you're looking for the official HiggsField AI, it's important to note that it is primarily a web-based platform, not a mobile app. This means you won't find it in the typical app stores like you might expect. Instead, you can access it directly through your web browser. To make it easier for you, the official website is simply HiggsField AI. This clarity will help you avoid any confusion about where to find the platform and ensures you are using the most reliable source available. Now, if you want to use HiggsField on your phone, the process is straightforward. First, you need to open the Google Play Store on your device. This app is usually pre-installed on most Android devices. You will see an icon that resembles a shopping bag with a colorful triangle in the center. Tapping on this icon will take you directly into the Play Store where you can access millions of apps. Opening the Play Store is the gateway to finding the HiggsField AI app. Next, you will want to search for HiggsField AI in the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar allows you to type in the name of the app you are looking for. Make sure to spell it correctly to ensure accurate results. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. You can either finish typing or select from these suggestions. This step is crucial because a precise search will help you find the right app quickly and efficiently. After you complete your search, look for the HiggsField AI app in the search results. You should see a distinct black abstract ribbon or infinity-like symbol alongside the app name. This logo is a visual representation of the app's innovative approach to AI technology. Just below the icon, you will also notice the HiggsField wordmark displayed in a clean, modern sans serif font. This design is indicative of the app's focus on a seamless user experience and sophisticated functionality. Once you've located the app, go ahead and select it. This action will take you to the app's dedicated page within the Play Store. Here you will find more details about the app, including its features, user ratings, and reviews. Make sure to review this information as it can give you insights into the app's performance and reliability. After familiarizing yourself with the app, you can proceed to the next step. Now tap the Install button to begin downloading the app onto your device. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install itself. This is an important step as it ensures that the app is ready for use without any additional setup required on your part. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that the installation was successful. After the installation, open the app by tapping on its icon from your app drawer. This will launch the HiggsField AI interface where you can begin exploring its features. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to get started. This user-friendly guidance will walk you through the initial setup, making it easy to navigate and utilize the app effectively. Finally, you will have the option to sign in or create an account. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account to access the app's full range of functionalities. This step is vital as it keeps your information secure and personalizes your experience with the app. Once signed in, you can use the AI image and video generation tools directly in your browser, allowing you to harness the power of AI with ease. Enjoy your creative journey with HiggsField AI.